everyone, so I have something so exciting to tell you because I am shifting houses. Yes, we've been in this house for around 3 years now, but it's just been closing in on us, making it seem smaller and smaller. Because if you haven't watched, I do have a moving video when we did shift to this house, so do check it out. Because the house, how it was when we moved, is no more like that. Because two of our bedrooms, which was so full of light and air, is now completely dark because there is a building right behind us. Living here with almost really less sunlight, and it's just been affecting both me and Suraj personally. So we were like, we needed to move out to a more brighter and lighter house. So we did find that house and I'm so excited, but I'm also super worried because I've never really packed so many things in my life, and on top of that, the whole shifting process is never really sustainable. But you know what, this was needed for the well-being of both me and Suraj. We needed good sunlight, and we are trying to make this shift as sustainable as possible. Oh yeah, I need to start packing because nothing is done. As you can probably see around, nothing is packed yet. So make sure to stay tuned till the end of this video to see my final house. Anyway, make sure to stay tuned till the end of this video. For now, I probably need to start packing. Well, I will take you through the whole journey of moving. Anyway, let's go now and start packing. Alright, let's go. So this is the state of our house right now. So it is super messy. And yeah, these are the cartons that we got from the packers. And yeah, it's, I think, a decent size. Yeah, definitely quite big. Neither of us know how to basically arrange this. But so this is basically just a little much of the products down on the floor. It's not everything because there's still that place to empty, and then there's this to empty. So yeah, all this needs to be emptied. Then there's things there to be emptied. Then there's things there to be emptied. There's a lot of things to be emptied. So this is just the beginning. It's not even a lot of stuff. Okay, so I now packed 2 boxes full of some kitchen items. It's not enough, and the whole place has become a complete mess now. It's really late in the night now. It's around 2 a.m. or 2:30 a.m. Okay, I need to go sleep. Bye. Hi, so a new day, new stuff to do, new things to pack. But today I will be having my house help to help me pack more of my kitchen items. There's so many, and I'm trusting that she'll be able to do it way better than I did. My house help has helped like stack a couple of things from the kitchen inside 2 more cartons. So as you can see, like, I guess she knows what she's doing much better than I do. So she's managed to put in a lot of items which I probably otherwise would have found really hard to put into 2. Also, I am about to shoot another video which I have to actually put out before this one. So I am going to be shooting in the middle of all the mess here. I think that's what YouTube helps all of us learn to do, is even if the entire room is messy, we have learned to make sure our background looks neat. So anyway, I need to go shoot the video and then continue with other packing. I haven't started packing my clothes yet. I'm not sure whether I've actually shown all of you my planned babies. This one is not doing too well. I may need to keep her in the sun, but the others seem to be doing well. So these are all ones that I got a while back. It's been at least 2-3 months since I got them, and they seem to be thriving enough, I guess. Again, this one, I don't know how I'm gonna manage taking all of this. I think we might actually rent a car and maybe keep all these in the boot and probably dismantle the whole thing and take it again. This is another plant baby and a couple of others. And that is all the mess that is there right now in the house. There's more probably that's gonna happen. So today is the last day for us here in this house. We still have a lot of stuff to put in. Our house help again helped in packing a couple of other items, but now currently the house is a complete mess, and we just had some buyers come to get our inverter from here, so we've sold our inverter to them. We have stuff in the fridge that we need to finish, a lot more things to be packed. Honestly, it seems so overwhelming because there's so much to do. It's scary to see the amount of stuff you have, you know. And this here is currently the state of our home. We hardly have any space to walk. So, and the packing is not even fully done yet. So yeah. And he's busy working. Suraj, when are you helping?
I've done most of my work already.
No.
Put on camera and go do work.
So if you didn't know already, I have a lot of clothes. Like I don't buy anymore, but I have a lot of clothes from over 10 years. And so that is the packing that I'm going to be doing now. So we're going to be doing it with a timer. I'm going to set a timer and see whether I can finish as much as possible of the clothing. Okay, let's go. Alright, so I am starting my timer right now. So now we just decided to take a break before continuing with the packing. We decided to pack as much as possible so that when the movers come, it'll be quick. I've got some vegan pizza from Go Native. It's my favorite place. If you didn't know it already, it's one of my most favorite restaurants in Bangalore. So this is my favorite place because their packaging is super sustainable. Also, their food is vegetarian. It's not completely vegan, but they do have vegan options too. That's vegan cheese. Vegan cheese. This pizza is super yum. Hi, so I am up and today we are shifting. We hardly slept yesterday. We were packing everything mostly the whole night. That's why my eyes are quite red now. And a lot of stuff is already put in. Everything is almost done, but there are knickknacks here and there which has not been done yet. But yeah. It's around 7:30 now in the morning. Around 8:30 the packers are gonna be here. Suraj has rented a car for the day, so he's gone out to get the car now. So yeah, the D-Day is finally here and wow, I'm excited. Okay, so this is the amount of stuff we have already packed. So yeah, this is all my dressing table, the shoes, I think kitchen items, these are all kitchen items here. Yeah, that's it. And then there's clothes, Again, clothes over there, clothes over here, so, and random piles of stuff there. So the packers are already here, they're doing all the work, we are shifting everything and all that, and almost everything is done. If you look at this, our bedroom is almost empty. The bed is actually given by the owner, so we're not taking it. So everything almost has been cleared from the house except for like a couple of things which we thought we'll take in the rented car. It just feels so weird because I have done mowing in video for this house, and it seems so similar of me doing something like this again after 2.5 to 3 years. It feels like deja vu. There is a couple of things to still pack up: curtains, the string lights. And let me just be honest, it can be super overwhelming when you see the amount of plastic that goes into packing your things. When we were packing everything in the cartons, but for the furniture and all, the movers, they obviously pack everything in so much of bubble wrap. That's why it is not as sustainable to keep moving frequently. So this was my study, or my office room, and it is completely empty. We still have to take that mirror. Everything else has been taken. This place has some kind of a bittersweet experience for me. We did make a home out of it. I would probably be teary eyed when I leave this place because I am a very emotional person, if you didn't know already. But as of now, it just feels like I'm still at home, so it doesn't feel too bad. But I'm sure that when I am moving, I will probably tear up. And this is my lane for the last 4 years or more, really. This is one baby that I am so much going to miss. I mean, look at you. I'll miss you so much, baby. I miss you so much. This is our old home, completely cleaned up. The whole place is so empty. It feels quite nostalgic seeing this whole place empty, echoey again. And we made a home out of it, which is what I'm really happy about. And I am definitely going to make a home out of our new place too. There is no doubt about that. Hi, so I am finally here in my new place. And yeah, it's so big. It's so big. I cannot relate to the space that I have now because I'm so used to not having so much space till now, and it just feels so intimidating. But I'm so damn excited to be living here. Oh wow, I cannot wait to decorate the whole place to just give it a earthy vibe, which is what I'm looking for. So this is the current state of the house. Like, everything is kept all over the place. Half the things have not been unpacked. Things are everywhere. And look at this room. This is supposed to be my office, and yeah, that is my office space and my new mirror. This is a second-hand mirror, obviously not new. So yeah, this is the current state of the house. So this is the amount of things that I need to keep away into those cupboards there. So all those bags, this, 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 all these are my clothes alone, and that one bag is Suraj's. That's it. Look at the state of the bedroom right now. It's a horrible, horrible mess. But we are gonna fix this. And in this video, I hope that you did enjoy seeing me move out, the little process of the whole thing happening and everything. And for me, it was such a tiring process. I've literally not slept for almost a day now. And if you did like this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. So until then, bye bye.